2, 1.
Yo, so I've got my mint pantone shirt. Tingnan nyo naman, front design, tiketa, back print, back design. Sobrang angas nito guys, sobrang presko ng tela. Sheesh! And I've got my mint pantone fingerboard as well. Sobrang angas din ng design nito. Take a look. Tingnan nyo to guys. Sobrang angas din ito. Tingnan nyo naman. Angas yan. Sheesh! Peace yo.